Welcome to my self-improvement channel. I am your coach and I will set an easy challenge to do. If you can't do it, I will show you the bad habits that you have that doesn't let you complete the challenge. The challenge is to stare at your wall and do nothing for 30 minutes. Sounds easy? Go do it right now. If you didn't stop the video and stood up from your chair to stare at a wall, why are you even here? Try to stand up from your chair slowly or you will get a heart attack because you've been sitting for 20 hours straight. If the challenge was too hard for you and you didn't stick for 30 minutes, it means that your attention span is broken. I will now give you a list. Don't do any of these, you neckbeard. Number 1. Stop TikToking or whatever it's called. Just stop using the app. Number 2. Stop skipping on videos while watching them. If you are going to watch a video, watch it to the end. Number 3. Stop playing games while listening to a video. I would play Minesweeper while listening to videos and I can't remember what I was watching when the video finishes, so it was just a waste of time. Number 4. Stop watching 20 seconds long videos over and over again on your recommended feed. I would also do this, and when I finally click on something longer than 20 seconds I could not concentrate on it and I would go back to watching 20 seconds videos. You have to stop that. Number 5. Stop watching useless videos just for entertainment. For example, gaming videos. Again, I also did this. This is the one that takes the most time out of the day. Number 6. Stop watching Black and Orange website. You know what I mean because you are a veteran over there with 1000 hours plus of watch time. Now do these. Number 1. Shave your neck. Be joking. Number 1. Meditation. Yes, stop sitting for once. What I mean for meditation is to set a time in the day to think about ideas or really anything. It's going to be very hard at first, but when you do it for a couple minutes a day you can start taking more time to think. It's basically progressive overload. Just start small and grow big. If you are having trouble doing this, invest in my Fiverr to become the best version of yourself, link in description. Number 2. Socialize. Send an invite to your friends to go somewhere. It doesn't need to be far, just somewhere outside to talk with your friends. When I do this with friends, it's at McDonald's. If your friends didn't accept because of some random excuse, just set a new time to do it, but if they say they don't want to do it, go get new friends. I might do a video on how to make friends, but it's really simple. You don't need a video on how to do it. Great, you did everything I told you to do. Now you found out that your day is empty and you have nothing to do. Use all of that time that you have to do meditation and socialization and also exercise. You don't have an excuse to not exercise. Now go do it, you sweaty pig. If you don't have an exercise program to do, watch my previous video. If you are having trouble doing what I'm telling you to do, watch my first video.